One question always comes to mind. Can we cancel our Curology subscription and Curology shipment? Answer is yes, you can cancel your Curology subscription at any time. In the end of this video, we will also tell you how you can get a refund from Curology and how to skip a Curology shipment. Now we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Curology subscription and shipment via mobile online in just some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Method 1. How can I cancel Curology shipment and subscription? If your shipment is already processed with product billing and is about to be formulated, then you cannot cancel your shipment. You can, however, cancel your next shipment before the next product delivery date. To cancel your shipment, you can contact customer support at 844-861-7546 or contact hello@curology.com. Number and email you can see on your screen. You can also cancel your shipment by canceling your Curology subscription. For that, follow these steps. Go to the official website of Curology. Add your username and password and log into your account. Go to the profile icon on the page and select the payments option. Scroll the page till you find the I want to cancel button and click on it. Answer the set of questions and provide the reason for your subscription cancellation. Confirm the process and this will cancel your Curology subscription. Most asked question, can I skip a Curology shipment? Yes, if the customers do not wish to get their Curology shipment at the time or want to postpone it or pause it, then they can skip a month. It is easy to skip a Curology shipment, but that must be immediately after you order it. Canceling or skipping a day or two before the product delivery date might not work. You can also use skip a month to pause and postpone your next delivery date. To skip a Curology shipment, you can go to Curology Official and log into your account. On the left side of the page, search for the Manage Subscriptions option. Click on Manage Subscriptions and then hit on Skip this month. This will skip your next shipment to the date you choose. Last question, how can I get a refund from Curology? You can only get a complete refund for the first 90 days supply of the subscription plan you chose. This selected time includes a month's free trial and 2 months product supply. You can request a refund by contacting hello@curology.com and canceling your subscription before the 90th day of your subscription plan. By using this method, you can cancel your Curology shipment and membership. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.